Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new video about Arabic grammar. Hada baytun. This is a house. Idaru veedagunnu. Hada babun. This is a door. Hada masjidun. This is a mosque. Hada kitabun. This is a book. Hada means this. Idu. Hada miftahun, this is a key. Idu taakolagunnu. Hada kursiyun, this is a chair. Idu kaserayagunnu. Hada qalamun, this is a pen. Idu penayagunnu. Hada maktabun, this is a table. Idu table agunnu. Hada sarirun, this is a bed. Hada sarirun, this is a bed. Ma hada, what is this? Ma means what? Idendagunnu. Ma hada, idendagunnu. What is this? Hada kamisun, this is a shirt. Iduru shirt agunnu. Ahada miftahun, is this a key? Is using is. Ahada miftahun, this is a key. La means no. La hada qalamun, la, this is a pen. Ahada baytun, is this a house? Naam means yes. Hada baytun, this is a house. Naam, hada baytun, this is a house. Ahada baytun, is this a house? Naam, yes. Hada baytun, this is a house. Ade, idaru veedagunnu. Ahada sarirun, idu kattilano. Is this a bed? Is this a bed? La, no. Allah, hada kursiyun, this is a chair. Idur kaserayagunnu. Ma hada, what is this? Idendagunnu. Hada najmun, this is a star. Idu nakshatramagunnu. Najmun, star, nakshatra. Ma hada, what is this? Hada kitabun, this is a book. We can see also hada qalamun, idu penayagunnu. Hada kursiyun, this is a chair. Idu kaserayagunnu. Hada baytun, this is a house. Idu veedagunnu. But ma hada, but this true is hada kitabun, this is a book. Second question, ma hada, what is this? We can see the picture of key. Hada miftahun, this is a key. We can see also hada qalamun, this is a pen. Hada najmun, this is a star. Hada kursiyun, this is a chair. But true is hada miftahun, this is a key. Question number 3, we can see the photo of star. Ma hada, what is this? Hada qalamun, this is a pen. Hada najmun, this is a star. Hada babun, this is a door. But true is hada najmun. Question number 4, ma hada, what is this? We can see the photo of pen. Hada najmun, this is a star. Hada qalamun, this is a pen. Hada babun, this is a door. But true is hada qalamun, this is a pen. Hada kursiyun, this is a chair. Question number 5, ma hada, what is this? Hada qalamun, this is a pen. Hada sarirun, this is a bed. Hada baytun, this is a house. Hada kursiyun, this is a chair. But true is hada sarirun, this is a hada sarirun, this is a bed. Question number 6, ma hada, what is this? Hada sarirun, this is a bed. Hada najmun, this is a star. Hada kursiyun, this is a chair. Hada babu, this is a door. But true is hada kitabun, this is a door.